Shenzhen Mottcell New Energy Technology Company, established in 2005, belongs to SED Group. It is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of rechargeable lithium batteries and energy storage solutions. Let's go and see it. Mottcell has a professional R&D team with more than 30 experts and engineers. Owning 50,000 square meters industrial park, automatic self-production and packing lines. Laser welding machine and high-end battery testing equipment brings over 1 gigawatt-hour production capacity in 2023. Mottcell supplies lithium battery products covering from milliampere hour to megawatt-hour level, including lithium-ion battery cells. Lithium battery pack. Residential energy storage system, commercial and industrial ESS. With decades of years development, Mottcell has established complete ISO quality and management system, and products have certified by CE, IEC, UL, BIS, etc. Mottcell's skill and loyal team is standby for you.
Hi, this is Jimmy from Mottcell. We have rich experience in communicating with foreign customers.
Hi, this is Robin from Shenzhen Mottcell. We have rich product knowledge to provide the customers with high-quality solutions.
Hi, this is Bessie from Mottcell. We can provide short lead time and fast delivery.
We are the sports factory, and we can provide the highest quality products and the most competitive price. Please contact us for a quote. Looking forward to cooperating with you.